Although internet and social media can be extremely effective channels of communicating with the target audience of a company, that does not mean they are free from risks. With one click, we can send our advertising message to tens of thousands of people. However, the same can be done by any other company, and their message may be about our product or service. It could be used by customers to express how unhappy they are with our products, or to inform others that, for example, our products contain harmful substances, or to tell people that our company is on the verge of bankruptcy. It can truly be anything, false or truthful, or anything in between. Anyone has the ability to talk about your company and your products. Your business is not just limited to your website and social sites alone. Discussions and comments can be, and usually are, everywhere, in forums or blogs, on Twitter or on Facebook pages. Being aware of such articles, comments and posts is not simply advisable, but absolutely essential. We cannot risk the spread of a rumour that our products, for example, contain harmful ingredients, which we will hear from the news a month later. We rather need to stop this rumour as soon as it begins to spread. Although the case of harmful ingredients is rather extreme, even less serious topics are of interest to us. For example, someone could comment on the low level of service quality of our call centre, or that they have bought a low-quality product from one of our shops. These minor things can create a negative stigma around our business. This negative press monitoring should not be limited to just our own brand. It is equally important for us to learn what is being said about our competitors in any industry. Following the discussions about competitive businesses, we can always be aware of their strengths and weaknesses, how they handle consumers, what their grievances are, how do they satisfy unhappy consumers. Moreover, we may want to participate in these discussions, both those that concern us and those relating to our competitors. In the first case, we may want to give numerous clarifications to prevent the dissemination of false information in the media, or perhaps to apologise for a mistake and show that we want to make amends to stakeholders. In the second instance, we may decide we want to win the client of one of our competitors. For example, if someone complains about a last-minute cancellation for a service she has paid for, we can recommend one of our own respective services to her. Moreover, if we see that someone has commented that he found a product at a lower price on one of our competitors' sites, we can let him know that we offer it at the same or an even lower price. How can we do proper monitoring? First, we must use Google Alerts. We go to the address https://www.google.com/alerts and type the search item of interest. For example, ABC. Then we type the email address in which we want our updates to be sent to. For example, my-email@my-company.gr and press Show Options. Through this, we can further customize the updates we receive on the search term we're interested in, like, for example, how often we want to be notified, the languages of interest around the search term, etc. After finishing the configuration, we can now press the button Create Alert. Using the TalkWater monitoring tool, we can always be informed about any discussions surrounding our business that may be of concern to us. How we use this information depends solely on us. But in any case, we must be vigilant in deciding whether or not a mention of our business is worth responding to or not. This is purely dependent on whether or not you believe the information published is damaging your brand or not. Therefore, being vigilant is necessary. If we are familiar with the use of RSS feeds, we can use Bing as a monitoring service for our business. All we need to do is go to the address www.bing.com and search for the term of interest, again using the example ABC. After doing the search, the URL that appears in the address bar of our browser will look something like the following. What we need to do is add the word and format equals RSS at the end of this address and press Enter. As we can see in the picture, this will create an RSS feed for us, which we can monitor in real time to see what terms of interest Bing is detecting for us. Although the above methods of monitoring are quite useful, they unfortunately will not bring us all the available results. If we really want to learn what is being said about our brand, our products, and our competitors, we will have to use Google. To do this, follow these steps. Go to Google. Type in the keywords of interest by placing the word "or" between them. For example, my brand, or my product 2, or my product 3, or my competitor 1, or my competitor 2, or competitor's product 1, or competitor's product 2. Caution: the "or" must be in capital letters. If our search term is not a single word and it contains two separate words or a phrase, put these words into quotation marks. If, for example, we're interested in looking for the terms Blizzard, Blizzard Entertainment, WoW, Warcraft, World of Warcraft, Alliance, and Horde, our search in Google would be the following: Blizzard, or Blizzard Entertainment in quotation marks, or WoW, or Warcraft, or World of Warcraft in quotation marks, or Alliance, or Horde. The word "or" comes between search terms so that Google brings us pages that have at least one of these keywords. However, you may find that some pages have 2, 3, or all the terms that you're interested in searching for. The use of quotation marks makes sure that Google returns results with the specific words or phrase rather than variations, including every word in the phrase. For example, without the quotation marks, Blizzard Entertainment could return search results including entertainment or a strong blizzard in a geographic location. As you can see, these would not be relevant to your search term, and that's why we use quotation marks. Once we find our terms of interest, we can click on Tools and press Enter. We then select Last Week as the time range for our search and sort the results by date. This way, Google will give us the most recent publications that have been posted on the internet during the last week, starting with the most recent. Tips: if you need results that exclude a specific keyword, you can state it on the search using the minus symbol. If we don't want the above search to have results containing the word Azeroth, for example, we would write the following: Blizzard, or Blizzard Entertainment in quotation marks, or WoW, or Warcraft, or World of Warcraft in quotation marks, or Alliance, or Horde, Azeroth. The dash must be attached to the keyword, for you do not want those results to appear. There must not be any space between the dash symbol and the first letter of the keyword, so type -Azeroth, not -Azeroth. We may not want to see results from a specific site, such as our own, for example. In this case, we again use the symbol dash and the site that we do not want results to appear from. For example, Blizzard, or Blizzard Entertainment in quotation marks, or WoW, or Warcraft, or World of Warcraft in quotation marks, or Alliance, or Horde, site, mycompanysite.gr. The minus symbol, the word site, the colon, and mycompanysite.gr must be attached together. If there are spaces between them, the search will not work.